This is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to add a credit card to your Google Play account on your Android phone so you can fund your wallet balance. So this is very easy to do. I'm just going to back up. So go to the Google Play Store, and this is where you download all your different apps and stuff, the Google Play App Store, and go to the top right to your profile. Then under here we can go on down to Payment and Subscriptions. Then go to Payment Methods. Now we can see our Google Play balance on top. I got $25. We can go on down to Add Credit Card or Debit Card. Now you can scan your credit card if you don't want to enter anything in. Just press that and then scan it. And it should allow you to just scan it. And then we go to Enter manually if we want to add the card number, the date, and then your location in here also. So this should add your credit card here, and then you can add funds to your wallet as well. You can redeem a code right here too if you want, and you should be good to go. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.